So I threw this question a few years ago because I watch PBS with my son all the time, and even Elmo on Sesame Street will say things like, "There's no gravity in space." And that drives me insane as a scientist who's also a father, because there's absolutely gravity in space. There has to be, and you've seen that already. So here, I want you to calculate the gravitational force on an 85 kilogram astronaut who's on the International Space Station, which is 400 kilometers from the surface of the Earth. There's nothing special about this example. We're just going to use the law of universal gravitation. You just have to remember that it's the radius of the Earth plus 400 kilometers. And here we're using the values for the mass of the Earth and the radius of the Earth from the previous problems. Those values don't change, and I would not expect you to know them on a test. They would be given to you on a test. And here, just remember the radius of the astronaut is the radius of the Earth plus the 400 kilometers. And then just remember to convert everything to meters. And so to find the force of gravity, we just use Newton's universal law of gravitation. So the force on the astronaut, 737.54 newtons. So let's compare that to what his weight would actually be if he was on the surface of the Earth, just to get an idea of how different the two would be. On the surface of the Earth, weight would be 833 newtons. So he has less weight, but he's not weightless, and gravity is definitely there.